I'm happy to announce that we have already our 5th generation of trainees to train SNP Keanu, and overall we have more than 100 people enabled and being SNP trained. So how does a normal or typical enablement journey at Accenture look like? First, we do have the foundation bootcamp. There we do have, as I said, foundation trainings to know what's SNP Keanu about. The second stage is the work shadowing stage, meaning our Accenture senior consultants go on the project supporting the junior guys getting some hands-on experience. On the third stage, we do go on the projects, handing over first easy tasks, and also, of course, have the support from SNP experts to run the show. With this enablement journey, we are able to go into an 80-20 ratio. What does that mean? 80% is delivered from Accenture, 20% expert skills from SNP.